How to add a product filter in Shopify. Hey guys, welcome back. So if you want to let your customers be able to filter out your product with color, sizes, prices, and more, simply head on over to your Shopify store and click on Add Apps on the bottom left. Now, from here, you will see a bunch of different apps, but we're going to click on the Shopify App Store and open this up. From the Shopify App Store, just search for Shopify Search over here, and there is this application called Shopify Search and Discovery. Click on Install over here to get started with a filtration system on Shopify, and then just click on Install over here. Once you do that, you will be ready to set up Search and Discovery on your Shopify store. So you will see this application on the bottom left, and just go on ahead and you can also add your customized filter. So I can click on Customize Filter. We have two basic filters that are automatically added, such as availability and price. I can add another filter. Let's say it's going to be a tags filter, and then the or condition is going to separate the product so that match all the buyer selection, or includes products that match at least one buyer selection. So it is going to be an and condition. And then we can search for values. Obviously, we are going to add the particular tags that the product should have. Now, other than that, within this particular application, you can go into the search section and go on ahead and boost product and put in the product recommendations that you're going to add for certain products as well. Now, if I go back into my Shopify store and I go into my all products page, I will be able to see now I have a sort by section where I can filter via availability and price. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.